Hello everyone, I am Manish Thokade. Today's video topic is Java and its features. So we see first one is Java. Then we see what is JVM. Java Virtual Machine JVM is engine that provides runtime environment to drive the Java code or applications. It converts Java bytecode into the machine language. JVM is a part of Java run environment (JRE). In other programming language, the compiler produce machine code for a particular system. However, Java compiler produce code for a virtual machine known as Java Virtual Machine. A specification where working of Java Virtual Machine is specified, but implementation provider is independent to choose the algorithm. Its implementation has been provided by Oracle and other companies. Its implementation is known as JRE. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. Runtime instance. Whenever you write Java command on the command prompt to run the Java class, an instance of JVM is created. Here is how JVM works. First, Java code is compiled into bytecode. This bytecode gets interpreted on different machine. Between host system and Java source, bytecode is an intermediary language. JVM in the Java is responsible for allocating memory space. First one is a class loader. So we see first one is a class loader. The class loader is subsystem used for loading class files. It performs their major functions loading, linking, and initialization. Then second one is a method area. So we see method area. JVM method area stores class structures like uh, metadata, the constant runtime poll, and the code for methods. Then we see third one is a heap. All the objects they are related instance variable and arrays are stored in heap. This memory is common and shared across multiple threads. Then fourth one is the JVM language stacks. JVM language stacks store local variables and its partial result. Then each thread has its own JVM stack created simultaneously as the thread is created. Then a new frame is created whenever a method is invoked. Then and it is deleted when method invocation process is compiled. Then we see PC registers. PC register store the address of the Java virtual machine. Then instruction which is currently executing in Java, each thread has its separated PC register. Then we see native method stacks. Native method stacks holds the instructions of native code depends on the native library. It then it is written is another language instead of Java. Then we see execution engine. It is a type of software used to test hardware, software, or complete system. The test execution engine never carries any information about the tested product. Then we see native methods interface. Native method interface. The native method interface is programming framework. It allows Java code which is runtime in a Java to call by libraries and native applications. Then next one is we see native methods libraries. Native libraries is a collection of the native libraries C++ which are needed by the execution engine. Then software code compilation and execution, compilation and execution process. In order to write and execute a software program, we need the following. So first one is editor. To type your program into a notepad could be used for this. Then second one is a compiler, to convert your high language program into native machine language, machine code. Then third one is a linker, to combine different program files reference in your main program together. Then fourth one is a loader, to load the files from your secondary storage device like hard disk, then flash drive, then cd into ram for the execution. The loading is automatically done when you execute your code. Then fifth one is execution, actual execution of the code, which is handled by your operating system and processor. Then with the background, refer the following videos and learn the JVM internal working and architecture of JVM. Then we say architecture of JVM, Java Virtual Machine. JVM methods area store class structures like metadata, the constant runtime poll, and the code of methods. Then all the objects, their related instance variable and arrays are stored in the heap. This memory is common and shared across multiple threads. Then Java language stacks store local variables and its partial result. Each thread has its own JVM stack created simultaneously as the thread is created. A new frame is created whenever a method is invoked, and it is deleted when method invocation process is complete. Then PC register store the address of the Java virtual machine instruction which is currently execution in Java. Each thread has its separate PC register. Then native method stack holds the instruction of native code depends on the native library. It is written in another language instead of Java. Then it is type of software used to test hardware, software, or complete system. The test execution engine never carries any information about the tested product. Then the native method interface is a programming framework. It allows Java code which is running in a JVM to call by libraries and native applications. Then native libraries is a collection of the native libraries C, C++, then which are needed by the execution engine. Then software code compilation and execution process. In order to write and execute a software program, we need to following. Then first one is editor, to type your program into a notepad could be used for this. Then compiler, to convert your high language program into the native machine code. Then linker, to combine different program files reference in your main program together. Then we see loader, to load the file from your secondary storage device like hardware, then flash drive, then cd